So, another night at the safe room. Alarms, alerts, noises, airplanes, rockets, whatever we need to go through in this lifetime.
Yesterday we had another rough night, but with all the pressure, the noise and the stress, it cannot even closely be compared even to families who lost their houses, lost their loved ones, tens of injured people, over 10 people were killed. I'm calling all the people. We're not allowed to forgive. We're not allowed to accept brutality and violence against innocent people. It's not a war of religion, it's a war of darkness against light. Therefore we all must unite, show your support in the streets, on social media, with your kind heart and generosity, in any possible way.